Well, howdy do, folks. Uh, Looks like the storm has calmed down a bit. There's still some wind blowing, but that's pretty much all that snow is there. There's just a wind blowing. The snow, I believe, has stopped falling for a little bit. I'm not expecting it to stay non-falling, but it did pretty good impact. The workers from MoDOT got uh, removed off the streets because it was too dangerous. And there you see the reflection right there. Disney Channel's on. Yes, I do watch Disney Channel. But MoDOT got removed off the streets. Someone's snowplowing their driveway. Nice. But anyway, I think the storm has died down a little bit. So hopefully it'll stay died down because I am tired of this snow. I want it to go away. I really do want it to go away. Because all it does. Let's go in my room. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything in my room. But we'll try anyway. I don't know, you can't see anything. So yeah, this is pretty much hopefully the end of the storm. And I'll keep you posted on if it gets worse or anything. So I will see you on YouTube. Bye bye. Some more snow falling down. Ooh. Oh, we got a snowplower. How about that? A little late there, buddy. Didn't do much of an impact, but I'll see y'all on YouTube. Bye bye.